Okay, on display here, we're looking at the Maytag 4.8 cubic feet top load washer. Now here is some of the specifics with it. It's got a deep fill option, quick wash cycle, a drawer dispenser, and advanced vibration control. It's got a little bit of branding right here. It says Maytag. I like that you can actually see through the top of it and see your clothes washing while they're washing. This is what the top of the washer looks like. It does have a click whenever you are turning this thing here. These are all flat to touch with the touch controls. And when you open up the lid, this is what the inside of it looks like. A lot of room in there to wash your clothes. When you pull this thing out here, this is where you put your liquid detergent. This is where you put your fabric softener in here. And I got the max fill lines. And you push it back in, close the lid. Now this is at a local Costco store. They got a price of $449.99. So a $500 washer machine is what the side of it looks like. And I can't really see what the back looks like too well, but hopefully this gives you a visual of what to expect if you're in the market to buy a washer machine. The Maytag 4.8 cubic feet top load washer.